there is a kind of warfare and contention you do in the spirit. You know that if day breaks or in that night, you will be in trouble. They will be looking for you. There are some sisters here, once they push spiritually in the morning, they become sick. Madam, it's time to grow in authority. Anytime you see yourself suffering that, it means that there is a little capital given to you. You have not been faithful enough in it to receive an increase of authority because of your faithfulness. Are you following what I'm saying? God gives all of us little capital. And sometimes your capital can be much. Can be given the capital of revelation, Bible, understanding the Bible, capital of prayer. Are you following me? Capital of soul winning. Capital can be much. Capital of wisdom, capital of reading, capital of visions. You have been given capital. But you look at your capital and deny that it is any useful and be eyeing your neighbor. Say, any day I'm like this sister, my trouble will go. What of your own? I say, even if that person's own look as if he's bigger, be faithful in that. If you read the book of Revelation, the Bible spoke about a church. I always see myself as that church. He said, your strength is little, but you have achieved more. Can you show me that in Revelation chapter 2, I believe? Your strength is what? Little. God checks. So there are people, their strength is little, but they refuse to give up. What they are achieving with little is outstanding. I'm telling you. Some of the people, you can be looking at them and be saying, if I'm like this person in ministry, if I have what this person have in ministry, hey, I want to have this, I want to have this. You are always eyeing people, watching their video, watching their picture, watching their church, trying to model your church, trying to say, if God lift me like this man, lift where? It's possible. You are saying, Lord, if you bless me financially, it's because of the money. It's possible that you have at least half of what that person have, and it is producing nothing for you. You are not faithful. Now, don't tell me you don't have much, because God said, be faithful in little. Be faithful where? Be faithful where? Be faithful where?